$30 to $100 price. That's per specimen that we're talking about, right? Yeah.
The heavily edited videos were secretly recorded and released by members of an anti-abortion group called the Center for Medical Progress.
Are you looking at 8 and 9 week specimens or only second trimester specimens?
Group members, posing as potential buyers of fetal tissue for medical research, allege that employees of Planned Parenthood, a government-funded women's healthcare organization that also performs abortions, discussed the selling of baby parts with them. It's an accusation the organization strongly denies, saying it only charges fees to cover costs.
I want to be really clear. The allegation that Planned Parenthood profits in any way from tissue donation is not true.
While it is illegal to profit from tissue donations in the U.S., organizations may provide fetal tissue for medical research if the mother gives her consent. But conservative legislators are among those Americans who say it's still wrong.
This is an issue about our humanity.
Planned Parenthood is harvesting the body parts of unborn babies.
However, medical researchers in the U.S. have been working with fetal tissue for decades. It helped in the development of the polio vaccine and is helping treat diseases like Parkinson's and AIDS. Molecular biologist Akhilesh Pandey uses fetal tissue in his lab at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland.
I feel that we are benefiting from many advances that have come out of research into fetal tissues, like pregnancy tests, like biomarkers for early detection of cancer, treatments for sickle cell disease.
Pandey notes that fetal cells can grow and replace cells that have been lost in adults due to disease.
When they're administered into humans, for example, into the brain, into the heart, into joints, they have properties that might be able to heal.
But some abortion opponents say using tissue from aborted fetuses is unethical. Irina Grosu is with the Family Research Council in Washington, D.C.
Fetal cells that have been derived either from a preterm baby or, for example, umbilical cord blood cells after a woman has given birth can be used, as well as in the cases of miscarriage. But in cases where a child had to die in the process or be killed for those tissue pieces to be used, that's not ethical.
But Pandey believes that if access to fetal tissue is restricted, scientists will have limited options.
I think it'll set us back by many years, and unfortunately, in the extreme case, it may take us more than many decades because we are not sure what processes that happen in the fetal tissues during development can be recapitulated, can be recreated by our other means.
While the public debate over the source of fetal tissue continues, scientists like Dr. Pandey will continue working with the adaptable cells to develop vaccines and potential cures for countless numbers of debilitating diseases. Julie Tabo, VOA News, Baltimore, Maryland.